The other thing you need to know is that every single piece of content that you create, whether it's a video, whether it's a social media post, whether it's a blog post, whether it's a podcast episode, is acting like a silent hunting system behind the scenes. I don't like to use that word because it sounds really savage, but you're essentially creating a giant, subtle, silent spider's web on the web. The whole point of content is you're creating an indexed piece of words. Really, that's all it is. That once published on the internet, now these Google algorithms, these bots can go and find and match that content to what people are typing in. It's now exactly what these words that you put on the internet, no matter where you've published them, on social media, on blogs, on podcasts, in audio form, in video form, in written form, is also how the AI finds that content, scrapes it all, and matches it to the person typing the question into AI. So every single piece of content you create is a ring on your spider's web. If you imagine that beautiful, big, silvery, slivered, see-through, stunning spider's web, that's what you're creating. And as that spider's web gets bigger and bigger over the years, you are now creating more opportunity to catch flies, because the bigger the web, the more flies you catch, right? And by that, it sounds like a really horrible way of basically saying this is how you can capture people searching on Google. It's also how the bots are going to find you. The bigger your web is, the more consistently you build that web and put content out to the internet, the more the bots are going to refer you traffic. It's really simple. It's just a volumes game and making sure that the titles and the words in all of this content that you're creating match what the person who is typing or speaking the question in is asking. A bot's job and Google's job is purely to match the searcher's question with a piece of content. It just matches them together. So the titles of your blogs, the titles of your videos, the titles of your podcasts, the titles of your meditations, whatever you're creating, just simply needs to be the question that people are typing in.